Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you just receive error on your Instagram that your account was compromised, so how you can also fix it. So first thing you need to know that actually you just need to write new password, so follow all instructions. So just try to enter a new password and just confirm it. So mostly it happened because you just maybe use some programs, apps, or some services for making more followers and likes, and that's why Instagram just block your temporary block your account for restoring, so for changing your password. So uh, don't tell anybody your password and your login from your Instagram. So in this way your account will be safe. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.